Everyone, welcome back to Shibkai. The last word from the CEO of Shiba Inu. One has already been sent to you. Shib News. If you look at market value, Shiba Inu is the second biggest dog-themed bad coin in the world. It is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. The price has been stable between 0.11 and 0.115 for a few days now. Price is still moving towards the 200-day and 21.100-day moving averages. On the other hand, SHIB's 50-day moving average, which is at 0.115, is still stopping it from going up. In this video, we'll talk about the latest advice from the CEO of Shiba Inu. One has already been sent to you. SHIB News, please remember to share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you want to see the most up-to-date information on Shiba Inu's expert research and price predictions. Let's begin the video right away. This month, SHIB's trade volume has been going up, and some people think it may soon be ready to soar. CoinGecko data shows that the total value of SHIB trades on all exchanges hit an amazing $420 million on Wednesday, even before the day was over. This comes after almost $600 million worth of trades happened on Tuesday, the busiest day since the middle of March. Since the beginning of the year, the number of SHIB trades has been slowly rising, and the price has done well. Shiba has gone up about 40% so far this year. Even though it has done very well since the start of the year, SHIB is still down about 30% from its previous highs in the 0.16 range. Late last month though, SHIB broke above the trend that was going down from this peak. If it can get away from its cloud of major moving averages, which are still working as a drag and rise over support in the middle of 0.11, it may try to hit these old annual highs again. If you like Twitter, the Shiba Inu that's in its logo should help it. In the coming weeks, trust may also be boosted by the hope that the Shiba Inu ecosystem will get better in the future. Significant progress will start to show up in the metaverse and everywhere SHIB. Lucy, a well-known fan of Shiba, shared a message from Marcy Jastro, who is in charge of the Shiba metaverse development team, on Tuesday in the Shiba Inu community's Discord channel. Shibarium is Shiba Inu's answer for scaling Ethereum Layer 2. A beta version of it was just released to the public. With this project, the team wants to lower the prices of transactions and create a Web3 ecosystem that is only available on Shiba Inu. They also want to keep the Ethereum blockchain's consensus layer safe. Major SHIB whales seem to be holding on to their tokens and not giving up, even though SHIB dropped a lot from its previous annual highs in the 0.16 region. On-chain data from Wallstat shows that the top 100 SHIB whales used to make hundreds of deals every day. But since the middle of February, that number has almost completely dropped. That means whales still feel strongly about that. It's hard to say if SHIB can 10x from where it is now, at least in the medium run. Shiba Inu would hit new all-time highs in the upper 0.88 range, and its market value would skyrocket to about $47 billion after going up 7 times. With tenfold gains, SHIB's market value would rise to more than $65 billion after getting rid of the zero. It's possible that the value of the cryptocurrency will grow tenfold in the next few years. Late this year, the US Federal Reserve will begin a major cycle of rate cuts to avoid a US bank crisis and recession. At the same time, SHIB developers keep adding new users for SHIB by expanding the Web3 project's environment. Even though Shiba Inu still can't break through the important support level of 0.0.01152 on the one-day chart, one of the biggest SHIB whales is buying the dip. The unnamed great owner of Shiba Inus, who goes by the name BlueHale0073, has been buying for 3 days in a row. According to Wellstats, a service that tracks cryptocurrencies, BlueHale0073 bought 14878 billion SHIB, which is about $1.65 million, all at once yesterday. The 254th biggest Ethereum whale bought $229.99 billion SHIB for $2.58 million. It is amazing that 378.4923 million Shiba Inus have been bought by whales in the last 72 hours, according to Wallstats. But the buying pressure from the unknown SHIB investors hasn't been enough to push SHIB up against market trends. I still think the price of SHIB will go up. Wallstats' most current data from the end of March shows that stablecoins are still the most popular investment among Ethereum whales. SHIB is still the second most popular investment among Ethereum whales. When SHIB hit 0.01, the SHIB army has asked Rishi, the father of Shiba Inu, to do something. It was subs. It's not the pre-programmed 2% SHIB tax burn in copper, even though more than 6.1 billion SHIB coins were burned in March alone. Instead, Kintaro, the founder of Koyo, talked about the burn in his Medium post. You can expect the volume to be billions of dollars, the benefits to be millions of dollars, and the SHIB to burn for millions of dollars over and over again. Many people have asked how this is even possible. To put things in perspective, the market value of all SHIBs is $6 billion, or $338,680. And there are a total of 589542881415073 SHIBs in circulation. To hit the goal SHIB price of $0.01, 99.999% of all SHIBs would have to be burned, which equals $588 trillion SHIB tokens. With a market value of $6,452 million, $449,383,460 SHIB would have to be burned to leave a stock of 580. At first, it would take a lot more than the work of platforms that trade Koyo tokens and provide financial services to reach such a huge goal. It would be necessary for Shibarium's image of Reishi to Shitoshe to come true. Now let's focus on Koyo token's good point of view. The site is expecting a huge amount of money. Koyo could make more than $20 million a month if they got $1 billion in trading volume every month, on top of the normal transaction fees and loan costs that come with perpetual trading platforms. Estimates that are too low say that this could cause $101 million worth of SHIB to be burned every month. By doing this for the next 12 months, $120 million worth of SHIB, or about 10,989 billion SHIB tokens, would be burned every year. After that, you have to think about the fact that Shibarium will spend 70% of all the money it gets from trade fees. Because of how much money comes into and goes out of the Koyo trading and financial services platform, and because Kintaro said in his Medium post that Koyo will never compete with its trusted partner Shibainu. Koyo is announcing that shibaswap will be the only swap for all trading through the Koyo trading platform and financial services protocol. This is to make sure that shibaswap's added value and volume are protected. In other words, every swap on the Koyo platform will have an API to shibaswap. This means that shibaswap will gain from every trade, which will lead to more volume and SHIB burns. Take a look at the Koyo trading platform. It will include other Shibarium companies that follow Shitoshi's rules and help the SHIB ecosystem by giving burns, VC opportunities, and support from the ShibDoggy Foundation. This could lead to a huge amount of dealing in Sperium projects, which would greatly increase the chances of them being listed on Tier 1 SEX. More importantly, these projects' ecosystems will grow the SHIB burn pool and boost the amount of data on the Shibarium network. The mysterious beginnings and plot of Koyo token are slowly coming together. Koyo Army has been formed to swear loyalty to the Shiba Army, and the platform is set to become a major beneficiary of the Shiba ecosystem. The SHIB Army has been trying for a long time to get the SHIB price to 0.0.01, and this could help them reach their long-term goal. The founder of Koyo, Kintaro, says that things don't just happen by chance. We know about Ryoshi's vision, and Shitoshi tells us about the moment when the vision comes together, like the last piece of a jigsaw puzzle. He is the unseen